Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to automate contract expiry alerts with Sheets. So first of all, open your browser and open Google Sheets. As you can see that I have a spreadsheet over here. In order to get alert of your contract expiry before it, go to the extensions at the above menu, click on it. Now go to add-ons and click on get add-ons. A new window will pop up. Now over here type in reminder, add reminders. Here it is. Click on it. Once it is loaded, click on this first tab, add reminders by Romain Villiard. Click on install. Click on continue. As the app is installed, you can see that I have task, assignee, and deadline. Over here on the right, I do have the option to add a reminder. Now, if I want to add a reminder, I will click on add a new reminder. I will select the deadline. It can be in hours or maybe days, weekends, whatever you like. You can also type in the notes. You can notify the people. Also, if you want to get a personalized email sent, you can use this option and mention whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.